Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about differentiation, which is topic from mathematics and statistics paper 2 12th science. Already in 11th standard we have seen about differentiation of standard functions, about standard rules of addition, subtraction, product rule and quotient rule of differentiation. After these points in 12th standard we have to see about the derivative of different types of another functions. Now at first we will see about the derivatives of composite function. At first we have to discuss about what is mean by composite functions, what are the natures of that composite functions. See here, uh, one standard formula from 11th standard, d by dx of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Now if this x is replaced by any function f of x, then the derivative of f of x raised to n means d by dx of f of x raised to n is equals to n into f of x raised to n minus 1 into d by dx of this function f of x, means derivative of that function is attached here. Okay, now see example. If y is equals to 4x plus 5 raised to 3, then dy by dx will be 3 into 4x plus 5 raised to 3 minus 1, means it will be 2, and then again attach d by dx of 4x plus 5, and derivative of 4x plus 5 is 4 here. Therefore derivative of 4x plus 5 raised to 3 is 3 into 4x plus 5 bracket square into 4. Now see another questions depends on composite function. Question is differentiate the following with respect to x. First one, sine of x cube. Now at first give notation for the example, which is y is equals to sine of x cube. Differentiate with respect to x, therefore dy by dx will be, see here, sine of x cube is given example. At first here our standard function is sine, and we know the derivative of sine x is cos x. Therefore here derivative becomes cos of x cube into d by dx of this function x cube is attached here, and derivative of x cube is 3x square. Okay, therefore sine of x cube, d by dx of sine of x cube is cos of x cube into 3x square. Second example, log of cos x. At first y is equals to log of cos x, therefore now differentiate with respect to x, therefore dy by dx is equals to, now again see here standard function is log, and we know that derivative of log x is 1 upon x. We have discussed this in 11th standard. Therefore log of derivative of log of cos x is 1 upon cos x into d by dx of cos x is attached here. Therefore now it becomes 1 upon cos x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Therefore finally it becomes minus sin upon cos means tan x. Now third question. Third question, see here, sin cube x. Now take at first notation y is equals to sin cube x. Again here we can write this as sin x bracket cube. Now differentiating with respect to x, therefore dy by dx is equals to 3 times sin x raised to 3 minus 1 means 2 into d by dx of sin x, and d by dx of sin x is cos x here. Now take fourth example, log of sec x plus tan x. Now again same way, y is equals to log of sec x plus tan x, differentiate with respect to x, therefore dy by dx is equals to, again use standard formula from 11th standard, derivative of log x is 1 upon x, therefore here it become 1 upon sec x plus tan x into d by dx of sec x plus tan x is attached here. Therefore 1 upon sec x plus tan x into derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x plus derivative of tan x is sec square x. Now after simplification, if you take sec x common here, then sec x plus tan x will remain. Sec x plus tan x and sec x plus tan x get cancelled, and only sec x will be your final simplification. Means derivative of log of sec x plus tan x is sec x here. Take another one example. 7 raised to x plus 1 upon x. Now in the same way, y is equals to 7 raised to x plus 1 upon x. Differentiate with respect to x. Now here you will use a formula from 11th standard, derivative of a raised to x. Derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x log a. Therefore here it become dy by dx is equals to 7 raised to x plus 1 upon x into log 7 into d by dx of x plus 1 upon x. Therefore, 7 raised to x plus 1 upon x into log 7 into derivative of x plus 1 upon x, it become 1 minus 1 upon x square. Therefore, this is the derivative of 7 raised to x plus 1 upon x. Again consider last example, under root tan of root x. Now take here y is equals to under root tan of root x, differentiating with respect to x. Therefore dy by dx is equals to 1 upon 2 root tan of root x into d by dx of tan of root x. Already we know the derivative of root x from 11th standard. Derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Therefore derivative of under root tan of root x becomes 1 upon 2 root tan of root x into d by dx of tan of root x. Therefore this equals to 1 upon 2 root tan of root x into tan of root x derivative. This is sec square root x into d by dx of root x. Therefore this equals 1 upon 2 root tan of root x into sec square root x into derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Now take some examples for homework. First one, e raised to x square plus 4. Second one, a raised to 5 sin x. Third one, a raised to root sin x. Fourth one, sine of ax square plus bx plus c. And fifth one, under root tan x. Okay, thank you.